I was in the trap cooking crack with Fable 5 and Codex when out of nowhere, they shut Fable 5 down. Now, before I get to what happened, make sure you all check out my AI community. Join the waitlist. The link is in the description. The federal government just shut down Fable 5. I'm sorry, Anthropic shut it down because the federal government said that it could pose a risk. As you can see here, statement on the U.S. government directive to suspend access to Fable 5 and Mythos 5. We don't have access to Mythos yet, but Fable 5 is in that family. And after using it, what I will say is it is incredible. I haven't been asleep since it's came out. But anyway, the U.S. government, citing national security authorities, has issued an export control directive to suspend all access to Fable 5 and Mythos 5 by any foreign national, whether inside or outside of the United States, including foreign national Anthropic employees. The net effect of this order is that we must abruptly disable Fable 5 and Mythos 5 for all customers to ensure compliance. Access to all other Anthropic models will not be affected. And they received this yesterday at 5:21 p.m. The letter did not provide specific details of its national security concern. Our understanding is that the government believes it has become aware of a method of bypassing or jailbreaking Fable 5. We received a demonstration of this specific technique being used to identify a small number of previously known minor vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities all appear relatively simple, and we have found that other publicly available models are able to discover them as well without requiring a bypass. So if you actually read this thing, it's the tone of it is like this is some BS. The theory is that this administration is looking to force Anthropic to do what they want. Remember, previously there was this whole thing about them not wanting to give the military the unlocked version of Mythos for them to be able to use it to control weapons and spy on people, because it is powerful. I've used it. It found some things that I have built, because the first thing that I did when it came out, I went back and looked at and took everything that I've ever built. And I told Fable, go through it, find the vulnerabilities, make it better. Like, what am I missing? And it found some things that I didn't even think of as far as, you know, making things better. Like, I use this thing to trade in the cryptocurrency market. I have a stock options app. All of the links on the description for this. It literally made things better. And it's like, whoa, it's definitely an edge. And I talked about this in my previous video, how we had access to Fable for included in our Claude, package if you were paying for it until June 22nd. And then after that, buy additional tokens for it. And I kind of see why they're doing that. I personally think to get full access to Fable and Mythos 5 in the future is going to be $1,000 to $1,500. It burned through a lot of usage, and I was maxing it out. I just wanted to, fully try it. Right. It's very good. It's very good. But just reading this article, you can kind of see that they're kind of pissed. Like, what is this? So what they have to figure out is who is using Anthropic products that are foreigners and who aren't. So that's why they shut down everybody, because they got to figure out a process. Okay, who's foreign, who's not? I mean, obviously you can start by looking at everybody's locations through how they're paying for this. That's one way. But if somebody is a foreign national living in the United States, like they got to figure out how they're going to do this. So that's why they cut everybody off. It's one of those things that suck. Glad I got through 80% of what I needed to. And it's definitely powerful. I can't wait until they come out with an even better one, which I can't imagine it being better than what it already is. And then once you combine it with Codex, I've been using Codex for the last month. It's crazy the amount of things that you can do and the edge that you can give yourself over the market, whether that's in business, whatever it is that you're trying to do, the stock market, the cryptocurrency market. It found some things. And its way of looking at things is different. The personality is different. And I'm here for it, man. It's definitely easy to run up a bag with it. If you actually do what it tells you to do, or if you tell it to do the plan that it came up with, you can most definitely make a lot of money, especially in this time right now where the economy is little, and then you have some countries that are in a recession. You can use this thing to really level up. So I'm definitely interested in hearing what you all are thinking. I was just kind of perplexed at first when I got cut off mid-section. I'm like, what is this? And, I just happened to go look on their website to see if something was going on, and boom, there it is. Okay. But again, I'm definitely interested in hearing what you all think. Did you all check out Fable? Let me know what you all think about it. down in the comments, and stay tuned for the next one.